So I finally got the power supply reunited with this TBO-1. The speakers measure 16 ohms and the little treble one measures 10 ohms. I've measured the 100 volt rail, which doesn't have a short on it. So let's see if it blows up. Pick. Unfortunately, there's a lesson about to start next door, so I can't spend too long playing around. I'd love to play a bit longer with this. Sounds great though. I'm so pleased it didn't blow up. In fact, let me go and get my friend Ivan, who can give us a rendition of the Baba O'Reilly riff.